natural, and I like how his passion while doing it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just flowing.
You can see all the cut from the avocado.
Never get not like this in their life, eh?
Same thing? So that is the medium size, that one.
Oh my god, Le. Oh my god.
Yeah, give down some smart.
This is what about the
People fast and people learn.
Yeah, Father. See what it's about.
But yeah, Saint Anne, I love you. This parish is actually my dad's parish, and I don't come here a lot, you know. And there's a lot of gems here, I swear. But they just shut down all of them. I don't know why. I'm so upset. You just have. Alright, so guys, we reach. I'm a bag of thing, but you don't know, girl. I'll put on our nice clean dress and start the activities. I know you guys are excited to see it. It's the First Ital Food Festival, so you don't know, girl, did off the day. Ital Food. Nation come, then we're going. Got that. Woo! Listen, exploring your country on a budget via public transportation. So humbling, right? But listen, the experiences that you get and the people that you meet, and the memories it creates. Listen, I'll go through that bus struggle, taxi struggle, any day for this kind of peace, you know? I'm alone, yeah, so traveling, but it's fun and it's nice and Listen. Nobody forgot it, I go alone. Not wrong. But I'm just saying, you know. You have things out there that you really love. I'm talking to all the people out there who have vehicle, you know. Who not have vehicle, when may I talk. I'm still not going away. Oh no, for stop it. Stop it. It is so nice to explore your country. Look at this. Just explore, yo. We have a lot of things. We have festivals, we have hikes, we have falls, we have adventure parks. Listen, there's so much. So that big plane ticket where you take fly out for nothing at all, just try to spend it with a local, you know. Now and then, nothing wrong with that. Just I say, my opinion. Not for like, but yeah. So can't wait to reach and enjoy the festivities. And this could be the start of my, what you call it, Ital food journey. This could be it, guys. This could be it. No more meat, no more brown stew fish. Yeah, so just being dramatic, but yeah. Oh god, I love this. It's just me with the colors popping, guys. And I need to change my clothes. Oh god. No?
Yeah, so we are at the Ital Food Fest. So more things are coming. So I have one red, gold and green.
Guys, this hot plum juice, cane juice. Nice. Perfect.
Design natural.
Look at it.
Bossy.
Bossy.
Love it.
Ital Fest. Punch line.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Fire.
Real food. Chickpea go on. Taste the oxygen and puncture.
Tell them where they.
Ital Food Festival.
You hear that? You hear that? Boy, if you not soon come here, no, before everything done. 11 o'clock where I see you.
Yeah, man.
You see it?
Wrap me up.
No rapping. She rap her own rap.
Vegetarian. What I'm saying is, if the foods that you are eating is making you sick, don't you believe it's time to actually make a change? Because that was what I did to reverse all the health issues that I had. I'm not telling you that your healing journey will be all sunshine and roses, because
Guys, I had the best sleep ever. Like.
Alright, so what we have here is a fusion of the mango passion base, which is locally sourced from the south coast, and then we have our acai base. So we get our acai berries straight from Brazil, and they're all organic and incredibly yummy.
Nice.
Yeah. No worries, but it's all good stuff. So we're gonna top your bowl with granola, some pineapple, some banana, strawberry, and a little bit of carambola, just because the star just look nice in the bowl.
Love it.
And anti-inflammatory properties, of course.
Beer things.
Yeah.
Love it.
Alright.
I just come to get food.
There you go. Now you can go set back up.
Some pumpkin seeds. Make it nice.
Do you have any preferences on the topping?
You like papaya?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
vibrating after you have that. It's so
God.
extra nice. So there's a
This is a labor of love. It is.
you're going to feel every drop of love in there too.
It is. Yeah, man. Tell me your Instagram for the business.
Yeah. So you can find us on Instagram at ZenbosJA.
Beautiful. Wait to tell you how it is.
You know what? Would you like some honey on there too?
Yes. What?
Oh, you have to get
The good things, them?
Yeah. All local, you know?
Oh my God. What you? Oh.
There you go, love.
So guys, I don't know if you have seen how much stuff I got already. Listen, this is my first. Whew. Oh my God, Le. Oh my God. So this I'm going to taste every flavor and I'm going to tingle. But anyways, focus. I've never been so excited to eat on camera. No, sir. I haven't gone to the other camps yet, but I have to sit down and have this one. It's beautiful, guys. I didn't expect. I haven't actually been for festival. It's like the Jamaica Coffee Festival, but I was like doing media work there, right? So I didn't carry the bench. The water is awesome. We're at the beach. Look at this. We're at the beach. So I wasn't expecting all of this. Wasn't. What? No, I know what to expect. I can't.
Chef Vital.
Alright, Chef Vital, I like the name, it sounds like Vital.
Because
Right,
for
so let
me,
me
I love to add colors to my dish. As you can see, we have the yellow, we have green, and we have red. So everywhere you go, Rasta color there. You can't say Ital, I know for Rasta and the colors in the thing. You have to have the colors, your dishes. You don't want to overkill the flavor. You want everything in the meal to have their own experience, their own texture, their own profile. You want everything to be balanced. The reason why I choose plantains is because plantains are very sweet. We can get them anywhere in the country, anywhere we are, we can get plantains. Instead of using mushrooms where sometimes people cannot get mushrooms. As Rastas, we grow our own food. So you know, in the backyard, every backyard in Jamaica have a plant tree. So plantains, now you know how to spice. So right, plantain though, frying actually the filling for the first layer of filling for the pot. As you can see.
Wow.
Yes. If I add ackee, if I was using ackee, I would have used my food processor to process down the ackee. So it brings down the texture of the ackee. And believe me, the ackee would be raw. Alright, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to actually slightly press. We're gonna press all of these plantains down to make this pie very firm, as you can see. And dishes like these are very easy to prepare for the kids because all the look at that. Look at that. I can lean this Look at that.
Straight up vital.
All the colors. You see the red, you see the green, you see the yellow.
It's beautiful.
You see, look at that. Even if I this is what I was talking about. Just like that. And when you do this, you add avocado around the other areas of the pie to just make it more artistic. So we're actually stacking. Reason why I go in the middle is because I want to use my knife and look at that.
Whoa.
It's all locked in. You know, nothing was put in the oven, all natural. Look at that. So colorful. And now because we add all the fillings, parsley, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, you have the turmeric, garam masala, and your black sauce. So this sauce now you can put on, if you're doing jerk, grilled veggies, you can use this sauce on your grilled veggies. If you're doing into tomato, you could use this as a tomato sauce. Alright? Yeah. Then we're going to go in our sunflower seed garlic sauce. We're going to add that on. Then now, we're going to combine everything. Look at that. Yeah. Just like that. And then we're gonna add this on top of the pie.
Natural, and I like how his passion while doing it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just flowing, you know. So he himself is in the meal. The good thing about a vegan or a raw food chef is in it, is holistic. Yeah.
Look at that.
Ready?
So as you can see, every layer, you can see the cut, you can see the avocado.
Yeah. Run us, sir. Oh my God.
You can see all the cut from the avocado, you can see the plantains, you can see the crust, you can see all the creativity, the juice. Having people, my presentation of an avocado spice ripe plantain savory pie. A pie like this, a pie like this is a very good way to introduce creativity, flavors, and a next level of food presentation to the family, to friends. You can follow me on Instagram as Chef Vital. My business is Vital 876 on Instagram, Vital Juice Bar. We're in Ocho Rios.
So the Save Soil Proliferation Group Jamaica is a movement.
Yeah.
It's moving the current energy flow as a currency of change in a new age where soil is currency to the soul. Did you know that 95% of our food comes from the soil? 95% of antibiotics comes from the soil. Not dirt, dirt is different than soil. The soil is linked to the soul, S-O-U-L. And when you walk barefoot, the sole of your feet is also linked to your soul. So, we live in 2.5 feet of topsoil. Reflect on these facts. What will you do to prevent soil extinction in Jamaica and save souls? Join the Save Soil Jamaica movement. Advocate, educate, and elevate with Sister Denise Isis Miller, Kathy Lennon, organic farmer, Dr. Ajamu, and Dr. Cheryl Chung to the stage. Please save.
We don't have values. We're playing around with ourselves. And some people like playing with themselves because it's your pleasure. But it's self-indulgent and it's wasteful. Here in Jamaica, my analysis is that really is the revival and the inner revival today.
remember I was telling you my daughter name is Leanne and you should see her in that dress. She put the dress on. So I wouldn't believe. And I call her Lily.
Hi. Hi. Kombucha. We have kombucha to drink. We have kombucha vinegar to throw on your salad. It's a salad dressing to tip in your water in the morning to cleanse the palate. Chana. And then we have avocado seed. Tea. This is naturally dehydrated, so it's great. I do it myself, so I'm sure of that. And it's naturally dehydrated. I'm glad you asked. Avocado seed, and we eat the pear with the seed. The seed is very, very nutritious.
Learned that recently.
Vitamins.
You sold me on everything.
It's really, really nice.
And this.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
This is my order, guys. Hey, trick we.
Some people would say, yo, this take too much work, man, I can't bother with this. But at the end of the day, when you get that first pull,
I eat that.
You feel it. Like, never ever gonna smoke a spliff in my life until the smoke a spliff will be like,
no.
Because when you smoke it, it make you feel hot, dense, and again hot to your rise, so that go right up in your brain. But make you feel bad, all kind of things. Come this, the whole body feel nice, you just start
No one love that. You said perfectly. It's called kombucha. First time having it.
So we're going to do the fillet of soul salad. Life, or you're going to get life from something dead. Or you're going to take a carrot that's raw or live and plant it and it grows. But you boil the carrot and you plant it, it now grows. But yet you find it. This one, we start with this. Yes. 30 minutes. We have 200 hours to show the people. Let's give it 30 minutes. Boy.
It's different.
So the number three food, the most essential food is oxygen. Let's clean up our environment. Let's save our soil. Come on, family. Come home. You must come home. You must come home. Stop killing yourself. Stop killing yourself. Stop loving them killer food. So, let me ginger them. Let me ginger them. There we are. You want to come off the stage? What do you want to do? Chef this
Overrate. So you say, oh, Dr. Knife have a PhD and MSc. You check if you can eat a PhD and MSc. You check if I eat food, she's a PhD and MSc, you can save you. We overrate academic accreditation. And the one who is the longest liver is the most important thing, you know. Because you have 10 PhD and you did by your 40.
Yeah, true.
I know some people who, a real example, I lead near mommy, a jungle my bro. Mommy is the poorest person who come from jungle, so I come from jungle way. Mommy couldn't even afford to take a bus. So it's walk, she walk all her life.
Alright, it's full.
Yeah.
Yeah. And go ahead. On my tongue.
Never get not like this in your life, eh? Why you always get good thing and say bad?
You know we Jamaicans already. That one you good. That one you good.
So call you a bad girl.
True. That one you good.
How you mean?
That one you good.
Nothing bad. Watch it bad mind and everything got up. You know?
Oh yeah.
Where do?
Great.
That's why I name good for us all. You say good? Yeah, no bad night.
Love it.
And it's good for everyone.
Everybody.
You know?
Yeah. active like
It was a good experience. I love it. Sleep. I had a view. You know, good food, music, the message. So yeah, I would return. I didn't get to hear Ivan. I wanted to hear him, but I left. So off to Kingston. Hope we can get something back to Kingston now because of darkness. Look, darkness. So a waterfall, food, beach, because we didn't go into the water, but we see the, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. See the beach, sleep, we get rest, plus message for stimulate the mind. What? Clean food, beer things. So Ital Food Festival, I'm gonna go out with on yourself.